Hello students, let us continue exercise 8.4 Introduction to Trigonometry. Now we discuss question number 5. Prove that the following identities where the angles involved are acute angle for which the expressions are defined. Prove that following identities. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Now we write left hand side. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosec theta can be write 1 upon sin theta minus cot theta can be write cos theta upon sin theta. Take sin theta as LCM. Now sin theta divided by sin theta we get 1. 1 1 ja 1 minus as it is. Now divide sin theta by sin theta we get 1. 1 into cos theta, that is cos theta. We get 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta whole square. Now separate numerator and denominator, so we write 1 minus cos theta whole square, 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin square theta upon sin square theta. Now 1 minus cos square theta as it is. Formula of sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Formula of sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So we write 1 minus cos square theta. Now 1 can be write 1 square minus cos square theta. Now use identity a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, next bracket a minus b. Now 1 minus cos theta whole square can be write 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. A square minus b square can write a plus b, a minus b. A plus b 1 plus cos theta. A minus b 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus 1 square minus cos square theta can write 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos square, 1 minus cos theta. Now 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta cancel out. We get 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. This is your left hand side. And which is also right hand side, 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So we write left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence prove. Now we discuss second part, cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A equal to 2 sec A. Now we write left hand side cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Now take LCM 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now LCM divided by denominator we get cos A. Cos A into cos A, cos square A plus now 1 plus sin A into cos A divided by cos A we get 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A multiplied by 1 plus sin A we get 1 plus sin whole square. Now we use the identity a plus b whole square. Cos square A as it is, a square plus b square plus 2a into b. Again repeat, x square plus y square plus 2xy. X plus y whole square means x square plus y square plus 2xy. Now x square means 1 square plus y square means sin square A plus 2 into x means 1 into y means sin A. Now 1 square means 1 into 1 1 plus cos square A, sin square A plus sin square A plus 2 into sin A, 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 as it is plus cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Value of cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So we write cos square a plus sin square a is 1 plus 2 sin a upon 1 plus sin a cos a. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 sin a upon 1 plus sin a into cos a. Take 2 common. 1 plus sin a upon 1 plus sin a into cos a. 1 plus sin a cancel out, we get 2 upon cos a. 2 upon cos a means 2 sec a. 1 upon cos a means sec a. 2 sec a. This is your left hand side. This is your left hand side, which is also right hand side, 2 sec a. So we write left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proof. Now do part 1, 2 in your fair notebook of exercise 8.4, Introduction to Trigonometry. Thank you.